I have something to tell you ba? It's serious. This is the serious about love story. Mga kanon na ko siya guys, no? Mga inday. Okay, if you still love me if I have cancer, and then I have no hair, no hair.
Have you seen the floor of our room? You're already losing your hair.
Serious ka?
Yes.
Even if I have cancer and then I am ugly?
You can ask all the what ifs you want. You're not.
What if I am ugly? Not pretty anymore. No
You're
have hair,
You're always pretty.
very tiny.
You're always squapping me, and you're already tiny.
What if?
What if?
Excuse me, what if? Ako na. Hindi ba? Serious ba? You not find other woman? You stay with me even if I'm ugly?
You're not ugly. You will never be ugly.
I'm not perfect. My underarm is so very dark.
Okay.
Kala ko ito mahulilo.
However will I live with your dark armpit? I don't know what I will ever do.
No ba? I mean, I'm not perfect than anyone.
You're perfect for me.
Ganon. Serious kayo ba? Really? Really? What if no have medication? You stay with me forever?
I'm not going anywhere.
Good. And na among question dahil.